What is going on, guys? You guys asked for it. I don't really do self cuts, but today I'm gonna be cutting my own hair. Now guys, I did one of these during COVID and it was all right, I guess, but this is not my cup of tea, so don't judge my hair cutting skills, but you guys asked for it, so we're gonna do it today. Now guys, the camera is super close, so hopefully when I'm doing it like this, you guys can see it. Probably time lapse this other side. I guess you guys can still see it, so I think it's gonna work okay. And we have this angle right here, so I'm gonna get into it, guys. I am not a self-cutter. I do not like cutting my own hair, but you can see your boy got some crazy looking sideburns and stuff, so definitely need a cut. So we're gonna knock it out. Y'all wanted to see it, so let's see. I got product in my hair, so get a little wide tooth comb. We'll go ahead and comb this out. I do want to leave the back, which is half the reason I'm actually doing this haircut, because the back is the ridiculous hard part. So we're gonna start off with a number 6, and I'm just gonna run, not cutting anything. All right, so 6 is safe. It's not really cutting anything, so we'll go ahead, go down to a 4. Now the idea here, guys, I'm gonna take the 4 just out and kind of create that shape from this burst fade, and then we'll come in and do a little taper. Man, y'all don't make fun of me, man. This is awkward. I hate doing self-cuts. I'm not a self-cut barber. The same thing here. Oh man, kind of awkward. Let's take a 4 out into the weight. I want to take a whole bunch off. Just give myself a nice little panel to cut into. And basically everything behind the ear I want to leave, because I'm kind of doing that mohawk mullet shape. So once that's a 4, I think it looks good on both sides. Now we're good. All right, so now I'm gonna come in with my trimmer, kind of set a guideline. It's a little bit low. Set that guideline. I'm gonna have to get closer to this mirror, guys. I can't see nothing. Go ahead and bald that out. And you know, normally I would do one side at a time, but just to make sure that it's consistent, because I am not a self-cut barber. Go ahead and bald that out. Make sure it's consistent. Yeah, a little bit low right here. Now just a little shaver at the bottom. All right, so very carefully, I'm gonna come in with the lever all the way open. Just bump that line up slightly. Man, really can't see. This is why I hate doing self-cuts. All right, there's our open section. Hey, good for me, I have head tattoos and it kind of hides it. You guys leave me a comment down below. Who do you want to see cut my hair next? Do you want to see DC, my newest barber? You want to see my wife do it again? Do you want a client to come do it? I don't know. I got a couple ideas and I'm down to do it. I really don't care about my hair that much, so y'all let me know down below. Now I gotta get close for this. Clipper closed at the bottom. I'm just gonna use the corner. There we go. Looks blended already. We'll go half open. Same thing on this side. Clipper closed. Sorry if my mouth's hanging open. You know that focus face. Kind of difficult. All right, now we'll go half open. I don't know, guys. I don't have many people with head tattoos, but I definitely think it makes it easier. I think that like already looks pretty blended. I don't know. Now just to play it safe, guys, I have this little like poof right here on both sides. So we're gonna fade down. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the number 3. And I'm just trying to flick into the 4. Make sure it doesn't look bad. I still have that little shelf right there. I should lighten it a little bit. I think it's just my head shape, but same thing here, number 3. up into that weight. Man, it's so awkward, guys. I remember last time I did it, it was during COVID. I just really needed a haircut and it wore my arms out. I was definitely not expecting kind of how tired my arms would be. So I think I took a little more off right here on the other side. So we're gonna come in and just hit that a little bit more. All right, well that was number 4. Number 3 before that. Now we'll do a number 2. I was gonna come back down and see what you're working with. Not bad. Number 2 here. I don't know, guys. I feel like I got a little spot right there. It's kind of hard to get. Y'all lucky I love you, because I don't feel like self-cutting myself. I even look crazy and I don't even care, so. But here we are. So under the 2, 1.5. It is halfway open, and we're gonna start to just kind of use the corners. Trying to connect all that together. Get this ear out of the way. Not bad. 1.5 right here. Honestly, I can't even see nothing hardly. I'm just trusting my system. Not too bad. I think it's still dark back here. I don't know. I hate that little head shape. It looks like I got hat hair like permanently. All right, last but not least, guys, well, we still have the half guard after this, but 1 guard, we're gonna make sure that everything's tied together. I can't really see. I got them tattoos. It makes it kind of hard. So 1 guard right under the 1.5. Just lighten that up a little bit. Not bad. Now right here. I don't know, this side seems lower. The weight seems lower on this, on my left. I may need to still cut that a little bit more. It's looking decent though. I'm gonna use a 3. Let's see. Yeah, I just got a little more weight right here. Let's go ahead and feed that 3 out. And, you know, you gotta use a comb, guys. It ain't gonna, the brush ain't gonna push the hair out of the way. All right, we're gonna just roll with that. I don't want to cut all my hair off, so I'd rather not go too much further. All right, what we got left? That was a 1 open. Now we'll do a 1 closed. And again, guys, honestly, I don't know about y'all, but this side looks all right. I don't even feel like it needs that much. I'm just kind of trusting the steps that I know I got to do. Now over here, I see a line right through this razor. Trying to soften that up. That looks a little better. What do y'all think? Yeah. All right, so last but not least, half guard, half open. And if it looks good, I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't know that it needs a whole lot more. I think it's pretty good. Like I said, guys, this is only the second little self-taper that I've given myself, so let's see. What do you think? I'm up close. Not bad. This side I feel like I can see more. Let's go 1.5 and just try to hit that a little bit more. Oh yeah, I did it. All right, so all I'm gonna do is really clean up the front, kind of my front edge up. You guys know I like it pretty square with my little accent piece, and it's a little overgrown. I am not gonna get into, oh my gosh, that clay is so hard to work with. Not gonna get into the length on top. I don't wanna mess up all of my hair, just a little taper. So we're gonna do a slight line up around the ears. Oh my gosh, I can't even see nothing. This is where I need my other mirror. That did not help me last time. Just come in here. Yeah, what do you think? I can't see it. You guys see it better than me. Same thing on this side. Oh boy. I think I got myself. Oh yeah, I think I got it. I can't see. Can y'all see? Did I gap it right there? Oh man. Luckily that's tucked behind the ear. That's all the lining up we're gonna do today. Let's comb this front hairline straight down. It is a little bit dingy. Could use a little bit of help. And you guys see, obviously my hair grows so heavy in the middle, thinner on the sides. So I like to kind of look at what I got on the sides and we'll kind of take more off the middle. So starting in the middle. And you know, every time I comb it, it's gonna look a little bit different, so that's okay. Boom, so once that side's straight, then we can come over here. I like to comb this down. We'll just touch it up. Now that's there, and all we gotta do is hit that corner right there. Not too bad first time. You guys see the front hairline is good. Hit this bar a little bit. Good. Oh, this one's hard. I gotta switch hands. Woo, boy! I'll tell you what. No, I'm just playing, guys. I do not at all care to cut my own hair. Let's go ahead and blow all this off, clean it up, put some product in it, and see if I look like absolute trash. That ain't it. No, that ain't it. So yeah, I already have some product in here. I'm just gonna kind of comb this out. I may add a little bit of texture powder or something just to kind of shake it back out. So let's see what we got. A little Tomb texture powder. I think I'm about out, guys. There ain't nothing coming out. All right, guys, I think that's it. What do you think? I think that taper right there looks good. We'll just kind of ignore back here where I lined it. We'll call it a double hairline. You know, that's kind of my man George is trying to bring that back in style, so we'll call it that. Same thing here, nice little low taper. Well, not a low taper, kind of a high taper, left on the link. Still kind of see a little bit of a line there. Like I said, I am not a self-cut barber, but you guys were asking for this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up and let me know. And make sure you guys check out my first time I did it, because this is even more fun.